Look at my doggies, y'all. Damn. Come on, my doggy. Come on, my doggy. Go, Seafood, go. She must need to go. We'll pulse right out of the crate. Come on. Go, 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 go. Look at them running. They must need to go. Go, 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 go. Go ahead, go. There you go. Hey, Truffle. Seafood, move. Go ahead, Char. Go ahead, Seafood. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee. Go, go, go. And look, this one's always laying down. And then she doesn't want to do anything. And then when it's time to get up. Come on, get up. We're not having that today. No way. Seafood, go pee-pee. Come on, get up. Get up. Get up. She always does this. She'll lay around, and then go in the middle of the yard and pee. Not today. It's not happening today. Seafood, move. Not today. I'm not having that today. Look, this is what she does. Look, see? See the spot? That's why I make them pee at the corner. But she'll sit there and do nothing, and then go pee in the middle of the yard so we can have yellow spots on the yard. No, 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 not today. Woke up late too, you guys, so it's like 8 o'clock right now. I normally let them out between like 6 and 7, but always playing games, don't want to do nothing. But not today. They're not moving from the spot until they pee. And then they're going straight inside from there. Not doing that today. Like a mother and daughter. At least Seafood's knocking his out. So look at these. Look at these two. Oh, look, number 2 for Seafood. This boy always has to go 3 or 4 times. Makes no sense. He can't poop one time. He's just like has to poop like 4 different times. 3 times is how many times he poops. And he has to go from one side of the yard to the next side and then to the next side. Now watch, as soon as I move, this one right here is gonna try to go to the middle of the yard. Watch this. Watch. As soon as I move, she's going to attempt to go to the middle of the yard to use. Watch. And I am not having that today. No. Sometimes I'll let it slide, but not today. Because the grass is coming back. You see the grass is pretty much green now. So it's crazy because it was all yellow. So you can see now the grass is pretty much all green. We got seafood mess over here. Hey, seafood, move. That's another thing he does. He just like eats all his grass and then throws up for no reason. Every day he does it. Like he doesn't learn. I don't know why he doesn't learn. He's gonna throw up. And he does the same thing over and over and over. Don't get it. Huh? And where did this one go? Over here. Alrighty. Okay. Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Let's go. Truffle, come. Sola, come. Let's go. Let's go inside. Come on. Let's go, Truffle, let's go. Come on, let's go inside. Let's go. Look at this one. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Go inside. What is up with them today? Go. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Sola, come. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Sola, come on. No, you're not, you see? This is what she does. She does it every single day. Let's go. Come on. Go inside. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Not doing that. Not today. Dogs these days. I gotta tie this bag, so hang on. Yeah, not all days are perfect, you guys. Some days are gonna be rough like this one. They don't follow instructions. And just kind of have to be patient with them, you know. Just kind of have to be patient with them. And it's just how it is sometimes. I gotta pick up this one here. I just saw this piece of poop over here. I took them out late as well. I took them out like I think like 2 in the morning. So maybe she's the one who pooped over here. I didn't see it. And she doesn't need to poop this morning. So maybe it was her who pooped. And she doesn't have to. Well, I forgot I moved the trash can to the other side. there you have it, folks. Yeah, these dogs, sometimes they make you like, wonder sometimes, because they just don't do what they're supposed to do. Come on, let's go home. Maybe she ain't need to go because she went at 2 o'clock. And now that her heat is gone, she doesn't have to like go as much anymore. Because you know, when they're in heat, they're swollen back there. And they can only squeeze out a little bit at a time because it's so swollen and it's hard for them to push when they're in heat. But now that they're not in heat, now that she's not in heat, she basically just like could let everything all out because her swelling is going down back there. And so maybe you know, now she doesn't, not maybe, but she doesn't have to go little bits at a time anymore, so she can let it all out all at once. And you'll notice when they come in heat like that and the back is swollen. I don't want to be all graphic on YouTube, but when they're swollen back there, it's very hard for them to poop. So you know, your breeders know that, and regular people probably first time dog owners, if you don't know that, that's typically what happens.